way we do you. Mismanagement, unemployment, imprisonment, the way we do you. Slave rocket, empty wallet, broke pocket, the way we do you. Tenant yard, rent yard, landlord, the way we do you. What about adoration? Domina jam, domina. It's all over creation. Not only in a jam, no. And now only inflation. All over creation, yeah. And now it's salvation. Not only in a jam, no. Suicide, genocide. Now we rocker from Zion, I see. Get ready to rock. We are the rockers from Zion, every coast. We're ready to rock. We sing Coco, it's Coco the rock. Coco, it's Coco the Rasta. Coco now, Coco the rock. Coco, it's Coco the Rasta. Somebody is working out the sound system. Say Jaja rhythm. You're moving through space and time. Brother don't fear, ain't got no fear. He's beating down the best line. Why don't you get on board the Zion Express? It's saying Coco, it's Coco the rock. Coco, it's Coco the Rasta. Rasta, yeah. Coco, yes, now. Coco the rock. La. Coco.
Oh, it's a beautiful sight to see. Brothers and sisters in unity.
Vincey.
The music is playing. Look how the dance all comes. And everyone just a ball out the forward. How when the DJ talk, yes. Then just a rock and come and just a skank in the dance, everyone. Then just a rock and come and just a skank in the dance, everyone. Yeah. Some drinking hot beer and some drinking stout, yeah. And who not have a bottle, him have a spliff in his mouth. Some man not even talk, him just a rocket with him daughter. And if a man him can't buy a juice, him a go drink ice water. Them just a rock and come and just a skank in the dance, everyone. Them just a rock and come and just a skank in the dance, everyone. Them just a rock and come and just a skank in the dance, everyone. Them just a rock and come and just a skank in the dance, everyone.
There is no end to a good thing, oh no. 'Cause every day there is Jah loving, yeah. And principalities and powers, them planning war on the hour, yes. And spiritual wickedness in a high places. I saw the children cry, I saw the children die. I saw much fuss and fight against the truth and right. Jah love within, stronger than their sins. Them just can't conquer Jah love within. children, living up your roots. Well, every tree stay up by its roots.
Vincey,
yeah.
Vincey.
I make we sing and shout, tell it all about a Jaja live and reign, and he is still the same. Oh yeah.
DJ Vincey.
my land is your land. The more we love one another, the happier we shall be. The more we live together, together, together. The more we live together, the happier we shall be. And no one can separate us, divide or segregate us. The more we live together, the happier we shall be. The more we are together, together, together. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. For your party is my party, and my party is your party. The more we are together, the happier we shall be. The more we under the keeper, the keeper, the keeper. The more we under the keeper, the happier we shall be. For your voice is my voice, and my voice is your voice. The more we under the keeper, the happier we shall be. Yes, the happier we shall be. It's there for us to see. The happier we shall be. Divided we fall, united we stand, and the happier we shall be. Yes, it's there for us to see.
Run, brother rat, brother puss after you. Run, brother rat. Run, brother puss, brother dog after you. Tell me what you really gonna do. What you gonna do? The cat chased the mouse, while the dog raced the cat around the corner. The vultures are waiting to see the great slaughter, so that they can fly down and clean up after. While big guys sit up over yonder, having all the laughter, while they lie, sipping champagne, having all the best of wine. They assemble to mess up your mind. Ayawoya, what you gonna do now? Do now. Ayawoya, what you gonna do? They always want to do wants the things that are wrong, but we'll forever be
Vincey.
forever strong. Ayawoya, what you gonna do now? Do now. Ayawoya, what you gonna do?
Ice, weed, and gold. A Rasta at the control. They try to keep us down, scatter us all around, to divert
harvest with sour grapes and set our teeth in edge, stealing in the name of the Lord. Strike the hammer of justice and set my people free. Strike the hammer of justice or let my people be. They tells us of a heaven where milk and honey flows, stealing in the name of the Lord.
Vincey.
They said this place called heaven, stealing in the name of the Lord.
A word from the wise, don't try to make life on your own. Remember that Jah just by your side. For I was a soul who was lost, and my life was in dismay. For among evil forces in which I played, guns and ammunition were my chosen way of life. With God-fearing people I chose to strive. For all of the lives that are taken, they can never be replaced. But still Jah chose to remember my face. Though I never lived like He wanted, I'm still mindful of what He taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. God, Father, you rescued me. I've got the scars to show. I barely made it along life's road. Cause when my life got dark, He was the only spark. He was the light at the end of the road. When I was a young boy, growing up in Augustown, we ate from the same pot. We were irons all around. From Gola to Colorado Corner, from Rockers to Jungle Club Tire, Brazil to Dreadites and River, all around. And then the football ground became a battlefield, and my life seemed so surreal. People were falling all around, but Jah helped me to stand my ground. Only Jah could have helped me to stand my ground. Though I never lived like He wanted, I was mindful of what He taught me. So now I beg and plead, I'm on my bending knees. Cause Father, you rescued me, and I've got the scars to show. Barely made it along life's road. Cause when my life got dark, He was the only spark, the light at the end of the road. So nice. So nice, so nice. She was a teenage girl, oh so lovely. We rolled around on my bedroom floor. I know she was young, but Lord, she excites me. Every time she touched me, I cried for more. She give me eyes of love, it feel like salt and pepper. She give me eyes of love, I never knew a thing so nice. She give me eyes of love, it feel like salt and pepper. She give me eyes of love, it feel like natural spice, so spice. Girls were never too much to my liking, until the day that she came to my home. Her mama don't know what a clock it is striking, or else she would never leave her alone. She give me eyes of love, it feel like salt and pepper.
caretaker could not afford for I to get some education, so I turned to do some cultivation. With the pirate, them take away all that I cultivate. Them never see when me use up me time. Oh yes, you know me my shade. The pirate, them take away all that I cultivate. Disappointment is my only friend. Never ever leave me. Never anytime, my friend.
Woke up this morning with a funny, funny feeling, and that feeling was an unusual.
Vincey, Vincey, Vincey. Vincey, Vincey, Vincey.
Woke up this morning with a funny, funny feeling, and that feeling was an unusual feeling. In my bone, yeah. It's in my blood. In my toes now. Coming up to my brain now. I went to the doctor
DJ Vincey.
to check out what's matter. I went to the doctor to find out the matter. Doctor said, son, you have a reggae myelitis. I said, what? Doctor said, son, you have a reggae myelitis. In my bone now. In my blood, yeah. From my toes down up to my brain now.
Vincey.
I and you don't like the Rasta dread. Jacob say we in a tenement. Yeah, the bag of wolf, the monster dread. Licky, licky, lava, lava. So, them a backstabber. Licky, licky, lava, lava. So, them a
Vincey.
Skin up your teeth with eye and you don't like the Rasta dread. Jacob say we in a tenement. Yeah, the bag of wolf, the monster dread. Licky, licky, lava, lava. So, them a backstabber. Licky, licky, lava, lava. So, them a backstabber. Back bigger than your dad, oh. Come on. You wake your mouth like a 12 years old. Me back bigger than your dad, oh. Yeah. And now the great when go crack you cold. Say night the stick the sheet. The when go round, go old. Ain't when go hang round no more.
Vincey.
Ain't when go be no scapegoat. Living the life you seek of false pretense daily. One like you so holy, holy righteous. Holy righteous you see. Seeking special favors from His Majesty. They stab you in the back. And then you say you wasn't looking. They stab you in the back. And want to know what's cooking. Put on your holy, holy dress. Turn a church on Sunday. Back to iniquity working from Monday. From St. Thomas right down to Westmoreland. You itch up. In a hurry, minivan, tell me something why every little thing you go check. Oh, yeah, man. Every little thing you can check. Check me, oh, yeah, man.
Jean's mother said that I should leave her alone. But how can I do that when I want her in my home? I watch her change from toys to boys, and now she is my size. So how can I forget her now when she can share my life? Mommy, I love your daughter. No one can make me leave her. It's so yesterday. So you can tell her anything you want, but I'll never let her out of my sight. Tell her how much I'm not her type, but one day she's gonna be my wife. Mommy, I love your daughter. No gesturing. No one can make me leave her. It's no gesturing. She told me I should wait until her 21, but she just don't understand that I'm a very impatient man. I won't let the horse run away.
Children of Israel, walk home now. Now can we allow for bow? You understand? I
corner that you will walk, you see a group of people park. They are not skylarking, they are only talking about Ethiopia. Some say they want to leave the rest of the world on power to Africa. Some talk about Ethiopia, and while the others Liberia. But no matter where, the Rasta do not care. I know I must be there to get my share of all those riches and delicious dishes up in Ethiopia. Sing triumphant song, let me hear you.
confusion to find a solution for breads for the young ones. Like the thief, I see them come in the night to steal our rights. Tonight we will fight. Help them, Lord. The children are calling. Help us, Lord. They were crying in the morning. Help them, Lord. The children are weeping. Help us, Lord. And so we're crying in the evening.
So all the youth them in they get down with a fake. Get up, stand up, put it right down. Better we don't bust down, better we don't fight. Get up, stand up, put it right, come on, we are unite. Get up, stand up, put it right, come out of the darkness into the light. Get up, stand up, put it right, we want unity now, liberty now, no poverty now. We have to get it somehow. Unity now, liberty now, no poverty now. We have to get it somehow.
Help them, Lord. The children are calling. Help them, Lord. They're crying in the morning. Help us, Lord. There's a girl living in my neighborhood. She's so beautiful. They call her Sweetie. When she walks into the neighborhood, everybody turn and stare, looking at Sweetie. So I say, Sweetie, come bounce me. Sweetie, come kiss me, girl. Sweetie, come hold me. Sweetie, come shape on me, girl. Every time that she passed my way, my heart skips a beat, and I have got to say, boy, Sweetie, come bounce me. Sweetie, come dance with me, girl. Sweetie, come kiss me. Sweetie, come shape on me, girl. There's a girl living in my neighborhood. She's so beautiful. They call her Sweetie.
Meet me at the corner. Down your avenue. And I'll be patiently, yeah, waiting there for you. I said to tune in till the morning. Tune in your Mrs. Street. 'Cause I like it like that. I like it like that. I like it like that. Yeah. I like it like that. Now I may not be familiar with your language, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. Said I may not dressed in style as the man in your town do, but I sure know how to say I love you.
Vincey. Vincey. J. Vincey.
Now I may not be familiar with your language, but I sure would like to cross over your bridge. Said I may not dressed in style as the man in your town do, but I sure know how to say I love you. I wanna love you in the morning,
Vincey. Vincey. Vincey.
love you in the evening too. Even when you're lonely, I'll make you happy when you're feeling blue. I'm just a stranger in your town. Once in a while I pop around.
over your bridge. Do I mean a dressing style as the man in your town do? But I sure know how to say I love you. I wanna love you in the morning, love you in the evening too. Even if you're lonely, make you happy when you're feeling blue. Though I'm just a stranger in your town, who once in a while I pop around. If I could reach the border, then I would step across. So please take me to the border. No matter what's the cost, so I'm leaving here. I'm leaving out of Babylon. I'm leaving out. I'm leaving out of Rome. Leaving out of Rome. I'm leaving out of this land. Leaving out. This place could never be ours.
to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morning. The taxi's waiting, it's blowing.
Vincey.
Oh, sugar, how I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. It's 5 in the morning and I must go. See you around. All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morning. The taxi's waiting, it's blowing its horn. Already I'm so lonesome I could cry. Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'd never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. There's so many times I've let you down. So many times I've played around. I tell you now, they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I'll think of you. Every song I sing, I'll sing for you. When I come back, please let me be your queen. Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'd never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. Come to leave you. One more time, let me kiss you and close your eyes. I'll be on my way.
How many times I told you I love you, and now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you? Now you're gone. Do you remember that first night we met? That was a moment I never will forget. Love was at first sight, and you came walking through the bed. Pale moonlight, pale moonlight. Do wap you wap you wap do wap you wap you wap do wap you wap you wap do wap you wap you wap. How many times I told you I love you, but now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you? Now you're gone. Do you remember that first night we met? That was a moment I never will forget. Love was at first sight, and you came walking through the bed. Pale moonlight, pale moonlight. Do wap you wap you wap do wap you wap you wap do wap you.
So sweet, I repeat, it's
the heartbeat, like Rasta reggae music. I never heard a music so sweet. I repeat, it's the heartbeat, like Rasta reggae music. Like Rasta reggae music. Rasta reggae music. Like Rasta reggae music. All who can't hear will feel. I appeal, never robot, don't steal. This Rasta reggae music. All who can't hear will feel. I appeal, never robot, don't steal. This Rasta reggae music. A Rasta reggae giving us their own information. Good Lord, this is the way it should be. We need a power to stop this war. Yeah. I see, don't seem to understand it. This that's so going on. They say it's a black on black. Them giving us their own information. Good Lord, this is the way it should be. We need a power to stop this war. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to save the world. I kneel down and pray. We need a
DJ Vincey.
I see, don't seem to understand it. This that's so going on. They say it's a black on black. Them giving us their own information. Good Lord, this is the way it should be. We need a power to stop this war. Yeah. I see, don't seem to understand it. This that's so going on. They say it's a black on black. Them giving us their own information. Good Lord, this is the way it should be. We need a power to stop this war. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to save the world. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to stop the war. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to save the world. Them say it's a tribal war. The big man behind. Them kill them for the see them all make right. All the poor girls is gonna suffer now. Good Lord, this is the way it should be. We need a power to save the world. Yeah. Them kill them for the see them all make right. All the poor girls is gonna suffer now. Good Lord, this is the way it should be. We need a power to save the world. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to save the world. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to stop the war. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to save the world. I kneel down and pray. We need a power to stop the war.
The teardrops keeps on falling. 'Cause your love, it keeps on stalling. Come on, give your to lose control. Quench me, 'cause I am thirsty. Cool me down, yeah, 'cause I am a heart, yeah. I'm still waiting, but I just don't want to wait in vain. I'm still waiting. Let your sweet love fall on me like rain.
The road is long, but yes, I know. Got to reach the end. Tell you why. We re-enter iron. I can stop the rest, 'cause I have break away from captivity. Very soon I know they will be after me. So I just can't stop. No, I just can't stop. I can't stop. Rest, tell you why. Can't stop, no, I just can't stop. I can't stop the rest. I've got to be free. Got to reach the border, you see. I need to be free from captivity. So I just can't stop, no, I just can't stop. I can't stop the rest, tell you why. Can't stop, no, I just can't stop. I can't stop the rest, tell you why.
Shall clean out the bad weeds, yeah, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, 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 oh. Jah shall clean out the bad weeds, yeah, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, 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 whoa. Innocent blood of your people. Whoa, oh yeah. Whoa, Jah shall clean out the bad weeds, yeah, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, 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 Jah shall clean out the bad weeds, yeah, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Woe be unto those that say they of Israel, and they are not. Woe be unto those that say they're Jews, and they are not. 'Cause they shall be cast away like the chaff that the wind driven away. I say, oh yeah, oh well. Jah shall clean out the bad weeds, yeah, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, 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 Jah shall clean out the bad weeds, yes, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's take the black and white oppressors who have oppressed the children innocently. Oh yes, I say, I show my word without partiality. Listen to God, let it fall and let it fall. Let Babylon fall. Jah shall clean out the bad weeds, yeah, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, 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 Jah shall clean out the bad weeds, yeah, and separate them from the good, 'cause the day of harvest is near. Whoa, 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 well, whoa, whoa.
start the groove, yeah. Oh yeah. You better take warning, no time to lose. Oh yeah. Watch the Middle East. It starts from there. It's a third world slaughter, heading for the West Frontier. Yeah. Until we find our way to leave the West. Oh yes. Our love for each other must be the strongest. So much doctrine, so much opinion. Oh yes. But it's one Jah, one glory, the highest region. Watch the Middle East. It's going on there. It's a third world slaughter, heading for the West Frontier. Yeah.
This man, I know him so long, I never want to lose my respect for him. This man, I know him so long, I never want to lose my respect for him. This man, he taught me a lot. 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 Some politician is political, no solar. Some politician is political, no solar. Always only care about the family. Yes, they always only care about the family. What about the majority? Oh, what about the majority? The dregs of society. Yes, the dregs of society. Small people, you should see them. Small people, you should hear them. Small people, you should see them. Small people, you should hear them.
Vincey.
This man, I know him so long, I never want to lose my respect for him. This man, I know him so long, I never want to lose my respect for him. This man, he taught me a lot. 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 Some politician is political, no solar. Some politician is political, no solar. They always only care about the family. Yes, they always only care about the family. What about the majority? Oh, what about the majority? The dregs of society. Yes, the dregs of society. Small people, you should see them. Small people, you should hear them. Small people, you should see them. Small people, you should hear them.
Vincey.
pot, bring me your cup. Pop the cup and try the sun. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. We'll drink it down till the sun comes up. I'm heading home like a steaming chain. Put to the floor in the driving rain. My head is aching and my mouth is dry. I've got a thirsty only you can satisfy. I've got the pot, bring me your cup. Pop the cup and try the sun. When you're empty, I'll fill you up. We'll drink it down till the sun comes up.
You are a wanted man, running away from the police then. You are a wanted man, running away from the police then. I know they want you to charge you for murder, shooting with intent, robbery back ovation. I saw my brother, also little raging ball. Know what you gonna do after you done your answer. Know what you're crying for. Didn't you know they were about to catch you? I know they want you to charge you for murder, shooting with intent, robbing aggravation. I saw my brother, also little raging ball. Know what you gonna do after you done your answer. Know what you're crying for. Didn't you know they were about to catch you?